When I'm checking tools for square, my preference is not to just set a square on the tool and see what's the relationship between the blade and the table. I want to know what's happening when the tool is running. So whenever I can, I want to do that setup under the circumstances under which I'll be using the tool. So in this case, what we want to do is make sure that bandsaw blade's perpendicular to the table. And I'm going to do that by doing a little test cut on this board, and I'll show you what it is I'm looking for. The key to this is the wider the board, the more accurate your test is going to be. I'm going to just nibble in from one face. Stop. Now this isn't, the approach here is important. Spin this, don't flip it over. And if everything is right, that blade should go back into the kerf that you just created. If it doesn't, like this doesn't, that tells you that you're not square. When everything is right, and I'm just gonna put the table back on its stops. I had intentionally taken it just a little bit out of square to show you. This, stop it, spin around, goes right back into that curve. That tells us this is perpendicular to the blade, and you're ready to do whatever you're doing next. And it's a great way to check this because we're doing it under power. We're doing it under the same circumstances under which you'll be using the bandsaw, so it'll give you the results you need to make sure the saw is working right.